couple videos back, I expressed my dislike for Metra, and I can't say that they don't make a product that isn't worth anything. I'm going to be using their product today. This, it actually fits the 2016 Golf also, which is what I'm building the harness for today, but I'm only going to use the harness. I'm not going to use their LOC. This part right here, in the bin. This part right here, which is the actual T-harness integration portion, I'm going to strip back this little bit right here, which is what they use to integrate their LOC, and I'm going to hook up the pack, LP72. Now, if you wanted to, you could get the LP72R, which then has the remote gain like that one does, but I'm going to be using the LC1 for the remote gain because the vehicle that I'm putting it in doesn't, we haven't decided where the actual knob's going to be, and the knob on the pack unit is about 5/16, where the LC is a little over a ½ inch, so it's just a little bit more to actually grab to use, so it's just a nicer piece for heavies. So, go to the time lapse, here's there it is, all wrapped up. It looks just like it did before, except for now it has this unit instead of the other one, and it'll just be fully functional. They put out just a little bit less than 2 volts. That's what I've come to find with the pack units. Still a good clean signal as long as you gain match properly with your amp. Hopefully you took something away from this video. Thanks for watching.